absolutely radiant financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to the most fabulous Fun Friday cash stuffing party that's about to send you into your weekend feeling like an absolute financial rock star. I'm literally sparkling with enthusiasm because Fridays have this magical way of making everything feel possible. And when you combine Friday energy with smart money moves, you create pure weekend bliss. Today, we're pouring our hearts into our spectacular Fri-Yay Savings Challenge, connecting with our amazing budget buddy who brings such incredible motivation and accountability energy, filling our adorable mini savings challenge that proves small actions create big results, strengthening our safety net with our vital medical savings challenge, and celebrating every single penny we've consciously directed towards building our best lives. There's something absolutely delicious about finishing our work week knowing that our money is organized, your savings are growing, and you're headed into the weekend without a single financial worry clouding your joy. This is what true weekend freedom feels like, when you can relax completely because you've taken care of all the business all week long. We're not just organizing cash today, we're creating peace of mind, building confidence that radiates into every area of your life, and proving that the best weekend accessory is knowing that you're completely in control of your financial future. Today, in our variable savings for Fun Friday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got $313 to put towards our variable challenges and Fun Friday. The reason I say variable is because for our Fri-Yay challenge and our medical challenge, we know exactly what it is that we're going to be saving in those challenges. We can plan for it. Before our small mini challenges like Budget Buddy, mini savings, and our monthly, those we just don't know. We're leaving it up to rolling the die and our scratch offs. So we're going to start today with our Fri-Yay Savings Challenge. Today is Friday, October 10th. So we are going to go to October and we are saving $10 for this challenge. This $10 is going to go into our pocket, and let's get our bubble colored in for the 10s. All right, there we go. Let's put this to the side so it can dry. And we are going to move right along to our medical savings challenge. And in medical, we are saving a total of $45. So we are going to color in this 25 here, along with this 20 right here, to make $45. Now remember, this is one that we can plan for, so that 45 is right here in the back. So we've got $45. I'm going to place this to the side as well. And we are going to check here to see how much we've saved in medical savings thus far since we started stacking our cash towards our vision deductible. We have $300 in high yield savings, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, another $100. So we are up to $400, you guys. We are so close to being at goal. We're going to get a $100 placeholder to cover that $100. And let's get the smaller bill stuffed. So let's get our 20s and put it in here, our 10, along with these two 5s. Now we need to get an entry here. It is 10, 10, 25 medical. We're adding $100. So we're now going to make this $842 in our surplus reserve. So now we have a condensed $400 towards medical, which is our vision deductible. Our very next challenge in our cute little binder here is our mini savings challenge. On our mini savings challenge, we are going to scratch off 2 of our spaces. So we're going to go right here in this corner, and we are saving $5. So here's a 5. And then we are going to go right here in this corner, and we are saving $8. So we're going to put this 5 back, get a 10, and add 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So now we've saved $13 on this side. Now on this side, we need to roll some die. So this is the second week of the month. So we're going to roll 2 die this time. And let's see what we get. We've got 6 and 5. So I'm going to put 6 on our cauldron and 5 here on our little witch. And so we're going to add $11 to our challenge, which means today in our mini savings challenge, we're saving $10, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24 in our mini savings challenge today. Let's see how much we've saved thus far this month in our mini savings challenge. Thus far this month, we've saved 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So we're going to leave $3 here. And let's get 2 20s to condense that $40 down, because that's a lot of bills there. Surplus reserve is our bank here at home, which allows us to condense and uncondense envelopes as we need. So here we've got 2 20s to make our 40 here. And let's get these smaller bills tucked away in our envelopes. Got 3 10s there, a 5, and 5 1s. All right, there we go. And now we have a condensed $43, nice and neat, for our mini savings envelope. Next is our budget buddies. Now, we know that budget buddies is our challenge where one of our friends scratches off the challenge and sends us a picture. And this week in budget buddies, we are saving $30. 10, 20, 30. So in total, thus far this month in budget buddies, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We're going to leave a 10 here, and we're going to get a $50 bill to slim things down a bit. So we're going to put these 5 10s in our envelope for 10s here, and we're going to get a $50 bill. Get a star note. All right, and there we go. Now we have a condensed $60 in our budget buddies. Now we will move on to, last but not least, our monthly savings challenge. And in the monthly savings challenge, we will be scratching off 2 of these on this side. And I remember the very first one we scratch, we're going to have to multiply by 2. We're going to go right here. Oh my gosh, it's like we're getting all the bonuses, you guys. It says roll 2 die. So let's roll these 2 die to find out how much we're multiplying. And we've got 5 and 3, which makes 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we're saving 10, 15, 16 here, and then another 8 for right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We can get a 10 here to make things a bit neater. So we've already saved $24, because remember, for this one, we had to multiply by 2. So that's 16, and then we rolled 8. So it's 8 for that one there. Now let's see, we've got 1 more to scratch off. I'm going to go right here, and we've got 4 more dollars. So I'm going to put a 1 here and get a 5. So now on this side, we have saved a total of 10, 25, 26, 27, $28 on this side. Now we're rolling 3 times to find out how much we're saving here. So we're going to roll these 2. So we've got 2 in 1. So that's $2 here, $1 there. And then we'll roll one more, and that's 5. So we're saving a total of $8 more on this side. So let's see. 8 and 8 is 16. So what I will do is put these two back and get a 10. So today with this challenge, we're saving a total of $36. Let's add everything up and see how much we've saved thus far this month in our monthly savings challenge. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, $51. So we will take all of these bills here and get a $50 bill. Get these 10s into our surplus reserve. Get these 5s placed in here with the 5s. So now we have a nice condensed $51 in our monthly savings. And just like that, we've wrapped up another absolutely phenomenal Fun Friday that set you up for the most relaxing and joyful weekend imaginable. Look at these gorgeous envelopes. They're like beautiful security blankets wrapped up in dollar bills, each one representing our commitment to living both responsibly and joyfully. From our energizing Fri-Yay challenge to our protective medical savings, we've created this wonderful balance of preparation and celebration that's going to make every moment of our weekend feel more carefree. Thank you for bringing your incredible Friday energy to our cash stuffing celebration, my wonderful financial fashionistas. What we've accomplished together today is so much more than filling envelopes. We've built a Friday ritual that ensures your weekends are filled with relaxation instead of financial stress. And that kind of intentional living is what transforms good lives into extraordinary ones. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. sending you into your weekend with the most wonderful reminder that you've earned every moment of rest and fun that's coming your way. Enjoy every second of your beautiful weekend, and I'll see you next week for another celebration of our amazing financial journey.